Today, I'll give you a quick overview of unified endpoint management integrations, more specifically focusing on Microsoft Intune, because that's the most common one that we see. Here is my demo environment. You can see I have a bunch of locations here and a bunch of assets. So let me open up my laptop so you can see what the unified endpoint management integration actually looks like. So here you can see Microsoft Intune logo. This means that this asset is syncing automatically every day. Uh, the information that we want to sync can be mapped per customer, obviously. So in this case, I'm syncing the user, which is the primary user. Then from the AD profile, I'm getting the cost center information. We can bring a lot of data from there, depending on what is needed and what data we want to utilize in automations. For example, in leasing situations, you obviously very often want to change the cost center, maybe the company information and the leasing provider system. So once we integrate with Intune, we can sync that information into our platform automatically and then sync it to the leasing company so that you get the invoices correctly. So that's a very common one. Just an example of what you can automate. We are also syncing the last sync date. So this is very handy when you want to make sure that all assets are in use. So let's say it's not being used for 30 days, you can get notified automatically. Yes, cool. So that's kind of what we build with the endpoint management solutions. And when you do this, you can remove a lot of manual work. And like I said, you can automate a lot of the processes that usually take manual work and cause errors. And there's also one other benefit that I'd like to mention. It's the fact that when you wipe an asset from Intune, it disappears. But when you have our system in place, it stays here until it's actually disposed of properly, because you still have the responsibility for the asset until it's actually physically either sold or then returned to the leasing company. Yes, that's it. Cool. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.